What's up everyone? I'm in my garage and I have my new LED folding fan light. Let's open it up and see what comes inside. Alright, so here is the folding fan light blades here. You're going to put it right into any standard light socket here. It does have the extra blades, so we will simply pop these in, super easy, just like that, one after another. Perfect, look at that. That is really nice. Also does come with a remote control and a socket extender. Let's hook this up, install it in our socket light, and see how it works. All right, so first I'm simply gonna install my socket extender, and then I am going to screw this fan right on in. Oh wow, look at the bright light. I love that it's adjustable too, so you could actually angle the light to however you want it. That's a really nice, unique feature that you don't see in most socket fan lights. It does have a off and on button here. As you can see, turn that on, everything off. To turn on the fan, you can simply hit the numbered button. So it's going to be a low fan speed, medium fast, and fast. Wow, even on fast, that is super quiet, but it's kicking out quite a bit of air there. So this button here, you're able to dim the light, and you can turn it back up. You have this one where you can actually change the light color. So more of like a warm, natural light. And we'll go back the other way to an ultra bright white light. Wow, that is really nice. So to turn off your fan, you can simply hit this button right here. It turns it off. That is nice. So I absolutely love the 6 foldable pedal lights there. That's a very unique feature that you don't see in most socket fans. I love how you can adjust the color temperature, and it has 10 different brightness levels. This is just a great socket fan light. It's going to help improve air circulation in my garage. This would also work great in a basement or even a bedroom. So if you're looking to cool off and just have a little bit more airflow in one of your rooms, I highly recommend picking up this socket fan light. It is a great little investment that you will absolutely love. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.